Okay, I'm here with Sebastien, and he's going to do some spray foaming. So Sebastien, sorry to distract you from hard work here, but what exactly are you doing now?
Right now I'm filling in the corners that I can't fill with my big gun. I just pre-fill with some gap filler.
Yeah, there you go. And when you spray foam, you were telling me a moment ago before we started the video that you have a respirator, right?
Yep.
Because it's kind of, it smells a little bit like a glue, right?
Oh, it's actually toxic. The ISO is toxic, so I need fresh air intake all the
I
time.
think so, yeah.
So I put a full face mask respirator, a Tyvek suit, rubber gloves.
Is that right? The whole
yeah.
9 yards? And how much time do you recommend goes by before people actually sort of go in and do some work?
We recommend 24 hours.
Yeah, so I think 24 to 48 hours makes
Yeah.
sense. And so once you've done all the cracks that the big machine, big one, can't get to, how long does it take to do, you know, a little workshop like this, which is 160 square feet?
Oh, a few hours. It's a lot of nooks and crannies, and I do 2 inches per pass. So I do 1 coat, 2 inches, another coat, 4 inches, then I
Wow.
do your ceiling, the same thing.
Wow, I think it's what, an R20?
It's R7 per inch, so you're looking at just a little over R25.
All right,
Because
so.
we don't have a pure 4-inch, we have 3.5 with a 2x4.
Yeah, 3.5, that makes
Yeah.
sense. All right, well, thanks so much for doing
No
this.
problem.